Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into EcoBank and create an account. First, let's talk about what is EcoBank. EcoBank is the largest bank that operates in many African countries. It provides services like saving account, mobile banking, and online transfer. You can visit to the official Eco website or download the Eco mobile app from the App Store. After that, click on Sign Up or option that says Create account, Open account, or Register. Fill in the details like your full name, mobile number, email address, and country. Make sure all information is correct. You can also visit to the nearest bank branch and they will provide you the form like this. You can fill this form and your account will be created. After that, you will receive a OTP code on your phone or email. Enter the code to verify your account. After that, type your username and password carefully. You may need to enter OTP or user fingerprint or face ID. Once logged in, you can check your balance, send money, and manage your account. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.